Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra, and today I'm gonna do a kind of inspired 80s kind of butt rock, but also David Bowie-esque. So maybe mixing a little bit of the glam and butt rock 80s. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that sounds horrible. I shouldn't be combining that. Whatever. Anyways, I don't know. It's just going to be like an inspired 80s look. My friend at work invited me out to this band tonight called Steel Panther. Apparently her husband like really likes this band, and they seem like kind of a little bit of like a joking kind of type of band. But anyways, it was kind of a last minute thing, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm totally gonna do like some fun makeup. So I thought I'd just make a little tutorial out of it, and I really don't know where I'm gonna go with this. So once again, we'll just, you know, you guys just bear with me as I like battle my way through this makeup look, and we'll see how we get there. So I have already put down my base, and I did actually do brows. A lot of like older, like with Bowie and the whole Ziggy Stardust thing, like he usually doesn't have brows, but I kind of wanted to have some brows, and then I have really contoured my face out, and we're gonna blend out some more shades later. I'm gonna kind of use a lot of reds, which I found this perfect palette by e.l.f., this blush palette right here that I'm gonna use. This one, I can't remember which one this one is, the dark palette, and I feel like they still make this, but it has a lot of good red shades that I'm going to use here. And then I found this great red shade by Makeup Forever that I'm going to use that is shade M846. They always have weird numbers and stuff. So I'm going to try that, and then out of the Subculture palette, I am going to this lovely palette that everyone hates and I love. I'm going to try and do some yellow on the eyes and some liner, and I don't know, we'll see. I kind of have an idea, but not really a full, like, you know, plan, as always. So we're just going to see where it goes. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm first going to take my, this is a Linda Hallberg brush that I got, 304, whoops, right there. And I am going to first start off with the yellow shades on my eyelids, and going to go into the shade Edge right here, this yellow shade, which I think I just poked the brown by accident. Oops, let me wipe that off. Kind of want it to blend all up into the red, so all right, I think I'm going to first put it down on the lids a bit here. I'm just going to put it all over my lid. I think I'm going to go in with a different brush. I'm going to go in with this Linda Hallberg 305 brush, and I'm just going to pack that pigment down on the lid. Okay, so I'm next gonna go in to this shade right here. It's like a deeper reddish shade, and I'm just going to start kind of placing it up into the brows, like just really slightly, and kind of like carving out where I want this like pink and reddishness to go. So, and I'm just using an e.l.f. This is a small tapered brush here. And all I'm doing here is I'm gonna take this red, and I'm taking it all the way out to the hairline, and then I'm gonna start dragging it down around my eye here. And we're just building this up a bit, just gonna make it pretty potent in color here. I'm gonna go into the Makeup Forever shade. This is that M846. Just gonna add a little bit of dimension up here on the brows. Just a little bit more darkness. Now I'm just going to take this same Makeup Forever shade, and I'm going to let's see, so I'm going to take this, this is a Lexi 223 brush, and I'm going to just dip into that reddish shade and take that all underneath my eye. Okay, so then I feel like I need a little bit more color in here, so I think I'm going to take that orangish, actually I think I'm going to take this shade and mix it a little bit with this orange shade up here and see how that looks. We're just going to take it kind of around. Okay, so now I'm going to do the dark liner. You can't have the 80s kind of look at all. Even Bowie was known for that black liner. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take MAC in Smolder, I believe that's what this one is. Yep, Smolder, old school, oldie but a goodie. And just going to take that all in my waterline. Just kind of like messily do it because I'm going to fix that later. So my camera stopped recording, so hopefully you saw some of that. But anyway, so I'm just going to take this black liner and kind of smudge it a little bit. Kind of neaten it up, but still leave it kind of that grungy kind of eyeliner look. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX. This is my matte liquid liner. And I'm just going to refine that line underneath. So just going to kind of bring this in the inner corner. I have some wrinkles there I gotta be careful with though. Good old wrinkles. So great. So great to deal with. Hopefully I can get the other eye to match now. That's always the trick. Always the trick. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, make sure that you are recording. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do lashes. Bowie didn't ever wear lashes. But like I said, this isn't really an exact Bowie look. So I'm gonna put on some highlight, a little bit of highlight, and then some mascara. I actually think for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with that crazy Fenty Beauty gold highlight. It's that one that everybody went crazy over. It's Trophy Wife right here. Oh yeah. Because I'm gonna do, I think, a gold lip as well. Oh my gosh, that gold highlight. Yes. Thank you, Rihanna. Gosh, she just killed it with this crazy freaking shade. Next is I am going to do a little bit of eyelashes. So I'm going to actually curl my eyelashes a little bit. So I'm going to do this waterproof voluminous mascara that I always use by L'Oreal. It's my favorite. I actually think I might tightline the top underneath my eyes too, because I want a little bit more of that like bold black line underneath, just to kind of make my eyes stand out just a little bit more. Not that they're not standing out right now, but I'm going to go ahead and tightline then with Smolder, if I can find it. I laid it down. There it is. So I'm gonna go up in there. And then let's do another coat of mascara, but let's go in with my Marc Jacobs. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. This was the holiday edition. This is what the wand looks like, if you care to know. So I'm going to go in with this lovely Bite. This is the Bite Beauty Cream Lip Gloss in gold. So that came out like last year, I believe, and I had to pick one up. So, oh shoot. Oh yeah, that's going to be great for this look. I love it. I love it already. I love this gold. What the heck? Like makes my, I don't know, that like makes my eyes pale in comparison, but Anyways, okay, so that is the lip. I feel like I need a lip line, so I'm gonna try and find something here. This shade, very old, by MAC, called Power Surge. And I don't know if you can see the color, but it's kind of like a goldish brown shade, but I'm thinking it might help define my lips a little bit. It is more of an eyeliner. This is not a lip product, but since it's me, I'm just gonna use it on my lips. I think we are done. I don't know if I'm gonna go in with lashes. I think I might leave it like this. You know, I think I'm gonna add them. I think I'm gonna add lashes. Why not? It'll be fun. So I'm gonna put on lashes and then I will be back with the finished look. Okay, I am back and here I am with lashes on. So I thought I added a nice touch. I kind of like it. I mean, oh well, if Bowie didn't wear lashes, I mean, I'm gonna wear lashes. So the last thing I am gonna do is, I was kind of looking around. I wanted a little bit more pop on my eyelids. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this Juvia's Place palette. These palettes, I talk about them, I feel like, almost every video because I love them so much, but I'm going to go into this, The Magic by Juvia's, and go into this gold shade right there. It is such a pigmented gold shade. It's literally almost the same color as what's on my lips, but I'm going to go ahead and touch up my eyes a little bit, just kind of pat around to kind of add that nice bit of a gold effect. I thought it would be nice over that yellow base. I felt like I needed just a little bit more sparkliness. I feel like that just adds a nice touch to it. Just gonna go in with this Japanese brush and kind of just blend the shadows together. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is my Bowie 80s inspired-esque, you know, heavy metal rock, glam rock, whatever you want to call it. More probably of the glam rock look, I'm thinking, but yeah, just very inspired by going to this show tonight. That's going to be hilarious. You guys should look them up. Steel Panther. Their outfits, I'll tell you, are incredible. So anyways, I am gonna let you guys go with that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.